Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Phillips and I'm an interventional pain physician from Edmond, Oklahoma. I'm here at the Seattle Scientific Foundation's 3rd annual image-guided interventional spine procedures course, where I will be presenting on large volume radiofrequency ablation. My talk will be available soon on ssfyoutube.org, so stay tuned. In the meantime, here's what's going on this week at SSF. So Dr. Karthik Madhavan will discuss lateral lumbar interbody fusion pre-psoas technique at our STED talk series on Wednesday morning. Thursday, Dr. Lin Jacques from the UCSF Wheel Institute for Neurosciences will give an update on advances in peripheral nerve surgery at our John Jane Visiting Surgeon Lectureship. The Swedish Neuroscience Institutes will host our virtual spine journal club on Friday morning. And mark your calendar for June 29th when we hold our 10th annual MIS Spine Symposium. Despite numerous benefits for minimally invasive spine surgery, there's still a difficult learning curve for surgeons when mastering MIS procedures. This course will increase familiarity with MIS techniques, creating more options for surgeons treating spine conditions with the potential to decrease surgical complications. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thank you for your support of Seattle Scientific Foundation.